It's December, summer's here, it's really heating up. Time to get our garden ready for the festive season. Here are some inspiration and jobs you can do in your garden in December. Let's get cracking with some gardening. Poinsettias are a wonderful plant this time of the year. Exceptional Christmas colour, look great on the dining room table on Christmas Day. Indoor they need at least 6 hours of indirect sunlight. Don't overwater, water the soil, not the leaves. Once the flowers are done, prune back and plant them in the garden in a protected spot so they will flower again next year. You can also plant magnolias, a wonderful specimen tree, especially in your front yard. A great example of that is the little gem. Bougainvillea make a great splash. Plant in full sun and they'll reward you with their bright coloured bracts. Other hardy sun-loving plants include geraniums. If you're unsure what to plant, come into store, see one of our gardening experts and they'll help you with some great tips, advice and ideas for your garden. It's also a great time for getting in some more edibles. Beans work wonderful this time of the year now the heat's starting to come in, and get another rotation of lettuce ready for those wonderful summer salads. It's a perfect time to plant blueberries, get them in ready for later harvest. If you've got some room and climbing space, put in a passion fruit vine. Plant in a well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. Mangoes and avocados are also in store now. And don't forget our perfect plant promise. You can bring any plant back if you're not completely satisfied, except for seedlings, as long as you have your receipt, and we'll give you a refund. December is peak time for harvest in our garden. Everything is plentiful and abundant. Sweet corn, tomatoes, eggplant, cucumbers, a selection of summer berries, chilies, zucchinis, and herbs for our summer salads. With summer also comes prolific growth, but don't forget to mulch your plants to retain water. Lucerne or sugarcane are a good option, but don't mulch too close to the plant because that can cause collar rot. Don't forget to fertilise your lawn. Water it before applying fertiliser and water again after application. Don't fertilise in really hot weather as it'll burn the plants. Feed ferns and palms with a slow release fertiliser. Check irrigation and sprinkler systems and get a soaker hose. High temperatures dry out your soil, so monitor the water needs of your garden regularly. Drench your plants if they need it. December is a great time to be out in your garden in New South Wales. Get your gardens ready for the barbecue and festive season. And come in and see our expert garden team. They can give you some wonderful ideas on plants, and don't forget those Christmas gifts. Click here for more garden advice, or click here to go back to the website.